Today, we enter a new phase in our fight against the deadly coronavirus pandemic. Frontline healthcare workers began receiving the first doses of the Pfizer vaccine this morning. By the end of the week, nearly 3 million Americans in all 50 states are expected to get their shots. So it seems fitting that a nurse in Queens, New York, the epicenter of the pandemic in its earliest days, received the first approved vaccination in the country. And joining me now is that nurse, Sandra Lindsay, an ICU nurse at the Long Island Jewish Medical Center. And Nurse Sandra, thank you so much for being here. I have to say, I saw you on TV this morning, and my husband ran in, and when he heard what hospital you work at, and I heard your accent, and my husband's grandmother worked in exactly your same unit at that same hospital. So I was like, I've got to talk to her today. So I want to first ask you about your experience today getting the vaccine. Tell us about it. Were you nervous?
Joy, thank you for having me on. I felt a huge sense of relief, hope for everyone around the world that healing is coming, that we took a step in the right direction to finally put an end to this COVID-19 pandemic. I know that we still have a long way to go. And so I encourage people to listen to the experts, to continue to social distance, to continue to wear masks, to continue to practice hand hygiene. But it really felt good to get that vaccine in my arm finally after all these months. It was very dark, many days. I just had to be numb to be able to push through and support my staff as they worked tirelessly. They made tremendous sacrifices to be on the front lines, and I just wanted to make sure I was right there with them to support them, to give them my support and give them everything that they needed to carry on this fight and to save as many lives as they could.
That's so important because Queens really was, that's where the horror really began, where we were really noticing, the coronavirus and its deadly impact was in Queens before really almost anywhere else. And, there is still this aspect of the virus that is hitting harder in communities of color, in Indigenous, Brown, and particularly in Black communities. And I just want to show you, I don't know if you can see this on the screen, there's a poll that's out that talked about the fact that, African Americans, that Black folks are much more skeptical of the vaccine. And so when I saw Nicole Hannah-Jones of the 1619 Project tweet out, a Black woman getting this first from a Black nurse, this was so important. What message do you have to people in the Black community who are scared to get the vaccine, who feel they don't trust the system, they don't trust the science, they don't trust the history of Black people's relationships with the medical world and the medical research world?
So I will say to them that I understand that based on the history, they have mistrust in the medical system. As a nurse, my practice is guided by the science. I believe in science. What you should not trust is COVID-19 because you don't know how it will affect you. So I would say to you that I hope that me taking the vaccine today is an inspiration to you and that you should trust the science. What I have seen, I was just tired of seeing. I'm tired of seeing the hurt, the pain, the suffering, and the deaths. And that was why it was really, really important for me to take the vaccine and to do my part to put an end to this pandemic.
Yeah. And thank you for doing that. I want to give you an opportunity to give a message to those who aren't taking the vaccine as seriously as they should, who are planning maybe to gather over the Christmas holidays and over all of the December holidays. What message would you give to people who are not taking it seriously and not doing the masking and not doing what the CDC says they should?
I would say to people, if you haven't, take it from me, from what I have seen and experienced, from what my staff has gone through. This is serious. You've heard the experts all across the media talking about the seriousness of this pandemic. I urge you to take it seriously, to put off the celebrations this year so that we can all be together next year and celebrate in person. As an immigrant from Jamaica, I look forward to going home every year, my family and I, from here to celebrate with our friends and family back home. And this year we'll be doing it virtually. And we're doing it so that next year we can be together in person, and it will be a grand celebration.
Nurse Sandra Lindsay, I'm so happy that you allowed us to spend some time with you this evening. My husband's grandma, who a fellow Jamaican immigrant and fellow nurse, retired now, I think she will be thrilled to see this clip of you tonight. So thank you so much for all that you've done, and thank you for all that you're doing.
Thank you, Joy, for giving me this platform. I just want to say a huge thanks to my team. I can't thank you enough for everything that you've done, and for all the nurses around the country that came to our rescue when Queens was being hit hard, for all the travel nurses that gave up your lives and made sacrifices to come and help us. Thank you.
Yeah. Nurse Sandra, you're wonderful. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful holiday season. Cheers.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.